Good. Hello everybody. We're getting ready to go on our walk. It's about 5:25. There's a lighting sky over there. The sunrise is at 5:51 today. Currently 76. If nothing interesting happens, you'll never see this. But it's pretty interesting to me right now. You'll see it or not. Hey Martin, listen to this riot. I don't know what that buzzing is. You don't want to shut up. That's crazy, huh? Who can sleep? There is a bug that is making a noise. I wonder if I can find it. Wow, he's so loud. Where is he? What is he? Well, we finished half the walk. And absolutely nothing interesting was going on. Well, there's some people here swimming. The day rentals are all set up, ready to go. I don't know why Jess is doing all that up and down stuff. We just walked halfway. Oh, wow. I guess Jess don't get out enough. She got to add jogging to our walk. I'll catch up when I catch up. Look at her go. Bye. Goodbye. Have a nice life. Oh no, she's coming back. Oh no, here she comes. What is that? You came back? There's our gate. We are home. What's our time?
32.
Oh, 32. I walked 2 minutes too much. And there's one of our dogs.